Hey everyone, welcome to the PC Hero Detective. Today I'm going to show you 7 hidden features of Windows 11 that you have probably never seen before. This tip will save your time, boost your PC performance, and unlock the built-in power of Windows. So let's get started. First up is Clipboard History. Normally when we copy something new, whatever we copied before gets lost. But with Windows Clipboard History, you can save multiple items you have copied one after another. Just press Windows plus V on your keyboard. That's it. Your clipboard history will open, letting you paste any recently copied text or image. You can even pin important items to keep them for later. Next up is Windows famous GodMode. With this feature, you will get access to over 200 Windows settings all in one place. To activate it, create a new folder on your desktop by right click on it, then copy the special code from our video description and paste it as the folder name. Once you open the folder, double clicking on by, you will see hidden control panel with all PC advanced settings right at your fingertips. Now I will show you how to type just by speaking without touching your keyboard at all. Simply press Windows plus H. From here, whatever you say, Windows will listen and type it out for you. It is a fantastic feature for writing hands-free. Our fourth feature is great for boosting productivity. Virtual desktop. Press Windows plus tab, then create separate desktop for different tasks. For example, one for work, one for gaming, and another for studying. To quickly switch between desktop, use Ctrl plus Windows plus right left arrow. One of the most useful feature for everyday tasks is custom screenshot. Press Windows plus Shift plus S on your keyboard. Instead of capturing the whole screen, just select the or mark the exact part of a needed screenshot of. See how easily you can capture just exterior you want. The next tip is customizing your start menu. Normally when you click the Windows button, you only see the power option like shutdown or restart, but you can add more useful icons here too. To do this, go to settings, then select personalization from the left menu. From there, click on start, then click on folders. Here you will find options like settings, file explorer, downloads, music, pictures, and many more. Turn this on and you will see this shortcut icon right to next to power button in your start menu, making your PC experience even smoother. Let me show you another great start menu feature. To open an app, we often have a search through all apps every time, which wastes a lot of time. To avoid this hassle, press the Windows button and go to all apps. Find an app you use often, right click on it and select pin to start. That's it. The app will now appear right at the front of your start menu. If you want to remove it later, just right click on it and select unpin from start. And that's it. 7 hidden feature of Windows 11. Try this out and you will see how much your PC experience changes. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated. If you run into any issues, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.